Hi, in this video I will show you how to search for Upwork jobs and submit a proposal for each job post using Shortly and the PDF drive. If you're struggling with Upwork lead generation, this video walks you through. ShortlyAI has introduced a new feature called Write For Me that allows you to make a quality Upwork cover letter very quickly. Here's an example of an Upwork cover letter that I made using Shortly and PDF drive. PDF drive is a search engine for PDF files. We can use this to download ebooks. I simply generated a book outline based on the provided Upwork job keyword and changed some text and generated a book outline using Shortly. I also pasted some frequently asked questions from a template that I will share with you. So take a look on how I did it. Welcome. Go to google.com and search for Upwork. Click on the first search result, account login. Paste the provided Upwork email. Continue with email, then paste the password. Click login. When prompted, paste the security answer. Go to the search bar, key ebook or the word book. Search for jobs. Open the first few Upwork job results. Open all the job results on that page by right-clicking, then opening in a new tab. Go to the second page and open all the jobs. In a new tab. Go to page 3 and repeat the same process. Open all the new jobs. Repeat until you get to the last job you submitted a proposal previously. Open the first job and look at the following criteria. We want to bid on all non-fiction books. Non-fiction refers to books based on facts, which include business, cooking, recipe, health, fitness, craft, home, decoration, languages, travel, home improvement, religion, art, music, self-help. What we don't want are fiction books. Fiction refers to literature created with the imagination. These include mysteries, science fiction, romance, fantasy, chick lit, crime thrillers, and all fiction genres. We also don't want to open books with a fixed budget of less than $50. Please note, this does not apply to hourly jobs because hourly jobs are paid by the hour. Hourly jobs with less than $50 are okay to be opened. We also don't want to open article and blog post jobs. We also don't want to open simple jobs, the one that involve editing only, cover letter design only, reviews only, formatting only, or illustrations only. This is because those jobs are not worth our time. Please close the books that do not meet the criteria. Repeat until you get the last job you submitted a proposal for. Then repeat the process with this time around searching for the word book instead. Please be reading the entire job post so that you can see if a book is a good fit or not. Then now we can open the first job so that we can learn on how to submit a proposal. So we are going to use ShortlyAI to generate the outline for our book, what we are going to propose to our client as the outline. So you will be provided with a sample Upwork proposal template. Go to ShortlyAI, click.com, click login, then paste the provided email and paste the provided password for ShortlyAI, then click login. Click new to open a new proposal document. Then select I'm writing an article stroke blog. Your title should be proposal. Then paste the provided Upwork proposal template. Copy then paste. Now look out for the following parts. The first part we are going to look for is the secret word. In this job, the secret word the client has put as ginger. So this should be the first two words in your application. Paste before hi. Normally after hi we write the client's name, but for this job the client has not provided his name and does not have other reviews, so we cannot find his name. For other jobs you will find his name below the job description. You'll see his name in the review section. So the next thing you should go is copy and paste the Upwork Job Post title, and the sentence should make sense. So you should read, so you need a long-term ghostwriter needed for books. You should delete the word needed. I forgot to delete the word needed, but when you're writing your cover letter you should delete the word needed. Now go and paste the job post keyword. Please note this will be pasted in 3 places. The first place is there. Hi, here is a book on women menopause I wrote for another client. Then the second place you'll paste is when generating the cover letter. Here's a 25th chapter on that keyword and what is the keyword, which is what is women menopause. So after that you go and look for the 2 to 5 key points of the book. You can either choose the requirements or the topic. In this case I chose the requirements, but in other cases you will have to handpick the key points you are going to choose. So I'll paste over the 2 to 5 key points. Now what is left is a Dropbox link to a past similar book you done on the same on women menopause. But first, let us generate the outline, the book outline we are going to propose to our client. So you simply place the cursor after what is the keyword, that is what is menopause, then click write for me. If the generation is not good enough, you can redo or undo. In this case, I choose to redo and I got a better version. When you get a better version, after the cursor, you simply write for me. Please generate up to chapter 15 or up to 20. This is the sweet spot for bestsellers. You can delete the irrelevant bits. After that, all is left is getting the Dropbox link to a similar book. Now we will use two sites to source this book. The first site is called PDF Drive and the second one is called libgen.li or Z Library. So let us start with PDF Drive. You search PDF Drive on Google and click on the first result, that is pdfdrive.com, and paste the keyword in the search bar, women menopause in this case. Search for the result. Then you select the result that looks like an ebook. Those other appear to be reports, so I'm looking for the one that looks like an ebook. That one looks like an ebook. You can tell from the cover design, it's a bit more colorful, and also the ear. The more the recent, the better. Most of those appear to be like reports or bestsellers. It will look suspicious if we claim that we have written a bestseller. So after opening a result, you simply click download and select the document format to be PDF. In this case, we are going to use a PDF converter. Previously, we've been using a EPUB converter called Calibre, but today I'll teach you about using PDF converter. So we will download the PDF version of the book. After that, you can close the result page. This book appears to be old. 2003 is a bit old, so I won't be downloading it. So we'll go on to the next site called libgen.li. It is also called Z Library. We will repeat the process. In this case, search for the keyword women menopause and search. This site provides us a few filter options. We can filter by year and also by extension. So you can filter by maybe as from the year 2010, which makes the book a bit more relevant. And also you can filter by extension. You can filter like PDF or EPUB or Mobi, whichever extension you're using. If you are using Calibre to convert, I'd advise you filter to Mobi, but in this case we will not be using Calibre. We'll be using an online PDF to Word document converter. So that book appears to be a better choice. I'll open that. So we will download the PDF version. As you can see, we have other options. We can have EPUB, Mobi, text, and RTF. So we'll download the PDF version. Now we need to go to the document converter so that we can convert from PDF to doc. Remember, we submit our documents to clients in Word document format so that the client sees you have editing capability. So we use Cloud Converter PDF to Word. So you search on Cloud Convert PDF to Word on Google and you'll see the first result, cloudconvert.com PDF to Word. So you select the two books we have downloaded and open. I forgot to change the file name so that they can appear within. Okay, I've already converted more than 10 books, so I'm getting that error. So to circumvent that, I will sign up for an account, which will lift my limit to 25 books. If you want more, you can sign up for more accounts, or I will provide you a list of alternative converters. Other alternative converters include abcdpdf.com, document.online-convert.com, there is acrobat.adobe.com, and there is pdf2go.com. All this will be provided in the video description below. So I'm signing up for a new account since I hadn't previously signed up. For a faster process, sign up using Google. After choosing username, filling in the email and the password, you complete the captcha challenge and sign up for the account. Register. Then an email will be sent with a verification. So you click on the email to verify your account. I will use my mobile phone to check the email and verify from my mobile device. But you simply go to your Gmail inbox or your email provider's inbox and click on the email and then log in the account, which it will become active. After verifying your email, you simply refresh the page and choose convert from PDF to Word document. You can use either docx or .doc. .docx is a bit more recent, so we prefer that, but still .doc is okay. So you select convert from PDF, type in there the format PDF, to .docx or .doc. We prefer .docx. Then select the files. You can select multiple files at once. Then open. Then convert. Give it time to process and convert from Word document from PDF to Word document format. after you're done with the conversion, you'll see a green download button and the word finished. So you click on the download button, download the Word document format of the book, and download the other Word document format of the book. They'll be downloaded to your download folder. So you should go and open the documents and preview how they appear if the formatting has been retained. But first, let us rename the file name so that the client cannot see we downloaded the books online. You see, like it has the PDF drive URL, so you need to delete all that and retain only a few, like 2 to 5 words that will describe the book. So after that, we need to log in or sign up to our Dropbox account so that we can upload the sample, the Word document sample in Dropbox, so that we can share the link with the client. Or you can simply attach the book on Upwork, but we prefer a Dropbox link because it's easier to spot than an uploaded file. So I'll sign up for a Dropbox account for tutorial purposes. So I'll select the option to sign up with Google. So I'll log into my Google account and get the verification code on my phone, then log in to Google so that I can sign up for Dropbox. To access Dropbox, you simply go to Google Dropbox on Google, or you can go to dropbox.com direct. So after verifying the code, Dropbox will now allow you to use their online storage service. So now we need to create a folder. Then we can upload our 2 Word documents in that folder and copy the link. So you can use the suggested folders. I'll select document that create the folder, then we'll upload our files inside that folder. We'll download the app later. You can change sharing permission to whatever you deem fit. Now to upload, simply select the 2 dots next to, you can select the folder, then select the upload option up there. Click on the folder to select it, then click on upload to upload the files, the Word documents. So you select the 2 Word documents we had converted and click open to upload them. So I will first preview the documents to see if the formatting has been retained and if everything is in order. So as you can see, the cover page has been retained well. The chapter headings are well retained. Nothing. So the formatting generally for that book is okay. Then you can check the second book. As you can see, there is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, subchapters, notes, even references have been retained, so all seems good. So I'll now go ahead and upload the 2 documents to Dropbox. You select them and click upload, then wait for them to upload. After uploading, you can copy the links from the Dropbox interface there. When you select the file, click on copy link. So this is what we wanted in the first place. So we'll now go to Shortly and paste the link in the job proposal template. So you can place that. We can go and copy the second link and paste it there in the template. After pasting, our template will be complete. It will have the 4 components. All of them will be now in place. So we will now be ready. So after pasting, we will now be ready to now copy paste the whole template and submit to Upwork as a proposal. So you select all of it, then you go to the job post, copy, go to the job post you wanted to bid on, submit a proposal on, double check everything is correct, then click on submit a proposal. So we note on the budgeting, the client's budget was $300 to $675. So we will have a figure in between there. For most jobs, I prefer, if the word count is 30,000 words, I prefer bidding on $300, or you can give them a $3 discount to $297. But for this, the client is a bit flexible, so I'll bid on $597. But typically this would have been $297. So you can paste the cover letter there. Now that was what we were creating. The Upwork job proposal template now is a full cover letter. So for the interview questions, I'll provide you a list of common interview answers that you'll be using. So the first one is on how to question on success. So I'll give you a list of the answers. So we'll do with how to ensure the job is successful. That is the question. So I'll copy paste. No, the question is on experience, your recent experience with similar books. So there is the answer. I'll copy the answer, and the answer has we will need to include the Dropbox link we had previously. So there is the answer, and I'll replace that with the link we pasted earlier. That is the link. How do you know when your writing has been successful? The answer will be provided. You simply copy paste the answer. Question on success. So you copy that and paste in the answer box. So the next question is on feedback. There's still an answer for that in the provided document. So you scroll down to question on feedback, copy the answer and paste it. Now we are ready to submit our proposal. If you hadn't, we'll have added the attachments there. You simply drag and drop or upload the documents. But in this case, since it's already in Dropbox, we will not be uploading. But you can consider uploading if you don't have Dropbox. So you can click continue to submit. So there you go. We've succeeded in submitting our first proposal. The proposal was submitted, so we will be waiting for clients' feedback. But in the meantime, we will continue submitting more proposals. We are targeting on submitting all proposals submitted within the day. Thank you. So this is how you submit a cover letter for a Upwork job post that the client has not mentioned the keyword or the job title. Read through the job and look for the secret word, the client's name, and other elements that are useful when submitting the cover letter. So in this case, I don't see any secret word. So we'll provide you with a cover letter proposal for a job with no keyword. So there's the cover letter template for a job with no keyword. So we will now go and copy the client name, usually found in the review section. So in this case, it's Mary and Ahmed. So we'll copy that, go to the cover letter template and paste it. Now we will rename, we will reward the Upwork job post title section. So we'll simply paste over that. And remember to remove the word needed. I forgot with the previous job post, but this time round you need to remove that and add the word both for fluency. So what is remaining is just to mention a few key points. So you copy and tell the client that you are aware of the requirements. You can also go and paste another set of key points. Copy that. You can tell him the expectations are and paste it. So there you have it. Our cover letter is complete. All is remaining is pasting it and answering a few interview questions. So we copy. Now we need to know the word count for budgeting purposes. Remember, I told you the pay rate should be around $1 for 100 words. So if it's 1,000 words, it should be $10. If it's 100, it should be, if it's $100, the word count should be 10,000 words. In this case, I usually give them a $3 discount and choose the duration to be less than a month. Paste the cover letter and now answer the interview questions. Will be provided with these answers. And that's it. So you send the connect and confirm the Upwork terms and conditions, and there we have it. We have submitted a proposal, a cover letter for an Upwork job without a keyword. Thank you.